If you're browsing in Safari and come across an article, recipe, or guide you want to revisit later, iOS 26 makes it super easy to save that page to a quick note, so you can organize your thoughts and links without leaving your browser. Let me show you two simple ways to do it. First method, using the Share menu. Start by opening Safari and visiting the web page you want to save. Tap the three-dot menu icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. From the menu that slides up, tap Share. Scroll through the Share options and tap Notes. Now under the Save to section, choose New Note. Next, tap the folder picker and select Quick Notes. Tap the Create New Note button at the bottom, then enter a title, short description, or label for your new Quick Note. Once finished labeling your note, tap Save at the top right corner. To confirm it worked, open the Notes app, tap the Quick Notes folder, and look under the Today section. Your saved web page will be right there. Just tap to reopen the full page whenever you need it. Second method, using Safari's page tools. While you're viewing a web page, look near the address bar for the page menu icon. It looks like a small screen with two lines underneath. Tap it, then in the bottom right of the pop-up, tap the three dots to open extra options. From the list of tab actions, choose Add to Quick Note. On the next screen, you can add a short comment, a label, or even jot down why you saved the page. When you're done, tap Save. Just like before, the note will be stored inside the Quick Notes folder in the Notes app, along with a link to the web page for easy access later. Whether you're researching, saving something to read later, or just collecting ideas, Quick Notes gives you a fast and seamless way to stay organized, without having to switch between apps. If this tip helps simplify your iPhone workflow, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iOS 26 tricks and time-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.